From inspiring decor to personalized t-shirts and cups, in this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at the company Let's Make It Elegant. Here's Deja Thomas.
Tis the season for giving, and Let's Make It Elegant, a Christian-themed gift store, is spreading joy through its personalized treasures.
What we like to do is to know about the recipient. So if you're giving something to like your mom or a special friend, a pixie gift, you have to tell me about the person, what they like, what color they like, if they're Christian-based, if they're quirky. And we will do stuff, personalized, Christian-based stuff. So you will tell me if their favorite Bible verse or if they have a special saying that they like.
The founder, Leon Chuck DaCosta, inspired by a perceived gap in the market of not enough Christian gift stores locally, set out to create a haven for those seeking meaningful gifts.
If you go to like a baptism or somebody's having a house opening, you tend to just bring a blender, a plate, something, and it just feels impersonal that you don't know the recipient very well. So I like to give people stuff that says something about them. So for me, it's really because I couldn't find the perfect gift to give.
From intricately crafted ornaments to t-shirts bearing scriptures and cups emblazoned with inspiring sentiments, the store, which started in the COVID-19 pandemic, tailors every item to spread love and faith in this holiday season and beyond. But, as with every business, there are teething pains.
The competition, in the sense that I have to stay up long time to get my artwork together, and then you have somebody that just run in and take it. So I have to learn now how to make sure that I am copyright protected, because then for you to work on your artwork and then to just have it taken like that and just commonly done, that was not a very good feeling for me.
Undeterred by the challenges, the business is setting its gaze on the future.
Long-term goal, I'd like to be based almost everywhere in Jamaica, that I don't have people saying, oh, well, I'm in Falmouth, how can I get you? But to have people, to train people then and have my things around Jamaica, then I may think about overseas.
For the Business Review, I'm Deja Thomas.